cartridges or HP Instant Ink cartridges. Instant Ink cartridges are larger than regular cartridges, but are installed the same way. First, power on the printer. Locate the cutouts on both sides of the printer and lift the ink cartridge access door. The carriage moves into the ink cartridge access area. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent before you continue. Lift the lid for the cartridge you need to replace. Remove the cartridge from the printer and set it aside for recycling. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging. Use the pull tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the cartridge by its sides, then set it in the open slot. Close the ink lid. If necessary, replace the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. A message appears on the printer control panel saying that a new, genuine ink cartridge was installed. Touch OK. Slide out the input tray. Align a stack of plain white paper on a flat surface and load it into the input tray. Slide the paper width guides in until they stop on the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they bend the paper. Slide in the input tray. Touch Yes. An alignment is necessary to calibrate the printer with a new cartridge or cartridges. Touch OK to print an alignment page. After the alignment page prints, you must scan the page to complete the alignment process. Lift the scanner lid. Use the markings next to the scanner bed as a guide and place the page print side down in the lower right corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Touch OK on the printer control panel to scan the alignment page. After the alignment page scans, an Alignment Successful message appears. Touch OK.